Welcome to the ATM. Hey you, stand up. What is your name?
My name is Narendra Kumar Sahu, sir.
Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then tell me, what is accounting?
Sir, accounting.
Stop. Hey you, stand up. What is accounting?
According to AICPA, accounting is an art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a...
Stop. Once again you say.
Sorry sir. According to AICPA, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction and events, featuring part at least of financial character and interpreting the result thereof.
Good. Okay, sit down. What about you?
एक्चुअली सर मैं उड़िया मीडियम से हूँ, तो इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी तरह से आती नहीं है। ये लोग तो सब इंग्लिश मीडियम से पढ़े हैं, सो इसके लिए मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है सर।
Don't compare yourself with others. If you can start believing upon yourself, then you can do wonders, man. You can do wonders.
Okay, students, always remember one thing. One way to transform your life is practice, practice, and practice. Good night, students.
See you on the other side. Thank you.